Now, if you're facing this problem, to fix it, you have to manually reset your Photoshop preference. Now, for this, you can open File Explorer on your computer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now, open Users folder. Now, open your username folder. Now, open App Data folder. If you don't see App Data at the top, click on View, select Show, put a check on Hidden Items, open open App Data folder, open the Roaming folder. Now, open Adobe folder. Now open your Adobe Shop version folder. So for me, it's Adobe Photoshop 2026. Now over here, you can see Adobe Photoshop 2026. You can copy this folder and create a backup. Now, once you have a backup created, now you can rename this folder. Now, before you rename this folder, let me inform you, this will reset everything. Settings will go to default. It will reset workspace. It will reset all the custom shortcuts. Tool behavior will reset. Preference file will be rebuilt. So if you agree, you can rename this. Make a right click. First of all, close Photoshop before this. If the Photoshop is open, close it. Make a right click and then you can rename it. Now, once you rename it, now you can launch Photoshop once again, and then you can try to remove the background. And here you can see the new settings is created over here. This one is the old one, this is the new one. And that should help you to fix this issue. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.